So what you know about sonar? Is it as easy as it sounds? Tis. My name is Carlotta A, and I am an electrical engineer, robotics engineer, engineering professor, and no-wire STEMinist. And today we are learning about sonar. An ultrasonic sensor is a distance sensor that uses sound in order to determine the distance to an object. It's also called echolocation. There are two animals that use echolocation to move around in the water and in the air. Do you know what they are? Tell me in the chat. Tell me in the chat. I want to see if you're listening to me. Did you make it this far in the video? I don't know. So what sonar does is it sends out a ping and then it listens for the echo to come back. Then it uses the speed of sound to determine how far it is to an object. So here I have my RGB LED going. If you don't know what that is, check out my other video. And as I put my hand either 10 inches, 6 inches, or 2 inches from the sonar, something is going to happen to my LED. Pay attention, see if you see what happens, and then tell me about it in the chat. Also, I'm going to have a poll, and I'm going to ask, what did you learn about sonar? A little, a lot, nada? Let me know. But first, let's see what's going on with this hand. I put my hand here. Kind of hard to see, but that's red. Put it in the chat. If I go out a little bit further, that's blue. If I go out a little bit further, that is, come on, give it to me, green. So what could you do with something like this? When you detect something, something else happens. Think about when you're in those neighborhoods driving in your car where there's just not a lot of traffic, and as you sit at the light, eventually the light starts to change. Some kind of sensor detects that there's an object there, and so that you're not waiting all night, the traffic light starts to change, right? Some kind of distance or something is detecting something is there. So that's what's happening here. When it sees my hand, the color changes. Please come back for more. Like, share, comment, and save, and stay STEM-tastic.